Hello everyone, welcome to our video blog channel of the Terraform. I am Saloni Mamtora and today we will explore the three key aspects of the Terraform. What is Terraform, benefits of Terraform and the best practices that we should follow for the Terraform. So let's dive into it. First, what is Terraform? So Terraform is a basically infrastructure as code tool that we can use to configure and provision our infrastructure using simple and human readable language, and it's provided by the HashiCorp. So over here we can take an example of the event planner. So you just need to give an instruction or your plan to the event planner, and event planner over here it's a Terraform, so it will execute your events. Now let's talk about the benefits of the Terraform. First, Terraform provides unified interface to manage infrastructure across multiple providers. Second is Terraform provides consistency. Over here you can write your code and version control it. You can rollback it if required, and you can collaborate across team as well. Third, Terraform is highly extensible with large ecosystem of providers and modules. You can integrate it with other tools and also extend its capabilities. Let's take an example. Using Terraform is like hiring an renovation company. It will just follow your plan and manage it to complete your project. Let's discuss the best practices that need to be followed when you are working with the Terraform. First, always use version control to track changes of the configuration file, easily collaborate with team and rollback if required. Second, modularize code. Break down your code into the reusable modules to keep the code dry. This configuration can help to easily manage and share the files with the teammates. Third, manage your TF state file. You should always manage the state files remotely over the services like AWS S3 with prevention of the state logging feature. For an example, having a detailed and clear checklist for planning an event to decrease overload. Let's wrap up our Terraform Essential video. We hope now you have a clearer vision of what Terraform is, benefits of Terraform, and the best practices that need to be followed when you are working with the Terraform. If you found this helpful, then please like, share and subscribe for more DevOps insights. Thanks for watching. Happy provisioning.